Hello, YouTubers. This is Dave Richards at Quick Seal. I'm here at St. Matthew's Church in Austin, Texas, and we're doing the expansion joints with the Quick Seal machine. And it's 6:50, and we just found out, I was just informed, that the rabbis will be here at sunset, which is going to be probably the next 20-30 minutes, and 700 people will be in this facility behind me. And this beautiful church, they had a Jewish congregation had their church destroyed by arson, and so they're leasing it out or loaning it out to them here this evening. And we just found out, and so the videos that we're doing for the expansion joints, thank God we're using the Quick Seal machine because it sets up in 20 minutes. So if we would have had traditional mastic in these joints, and we're about halfway done. It's a mile. We've got about a mile of 2x4 joints, and I'm just found out that we need to shut down in vamoose. Well, the good news is we're just putting this stuff in with our Quick Seal machine here, and I just put another block of rubber in, and it melts it, and then we shoot it in, and that one will be set up in another 5 to 10 minutes, traffic ready. So if we would have had mastic, traditional mastic, we would be in trouble. We'd be setting up caution tape, which they don't want, and as well as barricades, cones. But we just leapfrog through the complex with our hot melt machine, do 10, 20 feet at a time and move. And it's just a Quick Seal machine. Go to quickseal.com. Thanks.